Hey fam, my name is Tara and here is Digital. Welcome to first episode of a full series of learning how to create Ponto Smocking in Clo3D. It will be continued, so subscribe to stay updated with new episodes and also hit the like button below. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive in. Okay, this is the garment and I'm going to work on the sleeves. First of all, I will use the internal polygon tool to draw some lines on the sleeve. I click here and press shift and hold it to create a straight line. And at the end you can press enter or double click. I need another line on this side. I'm done, but I'm not okay with the distance between them, so we should make them closer. And I also prefer to make these lines shorter, so we can select both points and move them up. Yeah, it's okay. And also we can multi-select these lines, right-click on them and use Extend to Pattern Outline. Multi-select both lines, right-click on them, and use Distribute Internal Line Between Segment. We need 5 offsets, and now we can multi-select these new points again, right-click on them, and extend them to Pattern Outline. Now we need some horizontal lines, so we can use internal polygon again and draw a line from here to here. That's okay. And just another line right here. Press shift again to draw a straight line. Now please multi-select both lines, right-click on them, and again distribute internal line between segment. This time we need 54 offsets to create these tiny squares, so we can go on and work on them. Now we can use tag tool and we need to create some V shapes like this, and we need to create them by the use of the tag tool. And if you want to prevent this magnetic mode, please use Control key, so you can create these tags wherever you want. And also we need some tags in this order. Keep going to the end of this row. I'm done, and I can go for this row. We need more V-shaped tags, so complete it please. Now I'm done, and just another row is left. We need mirror shaped of the other row. Like this. And that's it. So we should do the same for the other sleeve too. And now I'm gonna change the color of the garment so you can see the results better. Now we need to make the bodice frozen and also strengthen the sleeves. Now we can simulate. Now we can unfreezen the bodice and also unstrengthen the sleeves. Now select all of the patterns and decrease the particle distance to 2. Simulate again. Now we can go to the render window to see the result, if it looks good or not. This is the result and I'm okay with it. It looks good. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to watch more and more tutorials and also keep going with this series, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye!